All right, well, there's a bit of a mishap in New York City. 2 teenagers were assaulted in massive crowds. You know what they were trying to do, Will? They were trying to get to the Adidas pop-up shop, which was selling 99-cent Arizona iced tea sneakers. You see that? You're a big... Oh, my God, you got it on the desk right now. Lift it up, Will. Lift it up for the camera. I swear I did not plan that. I did not know that he had it. This is Mr. Arizona. He would have been lining up for 99-cent special edition Adidas Arizona collab. You would have been lining up.
Oh, yeah.
So they had this pop-up scheduled. Arizona fans were there. Sneaker fans were there. Adidas fans were there. Culture fans were there. People who just saw the crowd were probably there. And it got out of hand quickly, as you might imagine. If you could get Adidas sneakers for 99 cents, I mean, that's kind of a deal. Especially if it's a special version collab, which you could probably sell immediately afterwards. But nobody even got to see these 99-cent sneakers. For those of you that don't know, Arizona is an iced tea brand. They sell a giant can for 99 cents. It's like the claim to fame. And it's kind of a meme in and of itself. It's popular. Oh, that's an Arizona sneaker right down there. Scroll down, Will. Right there. Oh, so that's the sneaker that nobody could get, I guess. So that's the Arizona theme sneaker, only 99 cents. I think they did a backpack. There's somebody in the post who has an Arizona themed backpack. Same thing with the 99-cent logo. It's a cool concept. It's a collab. It's a pop-up. It's got all the cultural pieces you would expect to create hype. In this case, a little too much hype, as 2 people were assaulted, and one of them was bleeding. The teenage girl was bleeding, and they had to shut down the whole thing. The New York Police Department shut down the event before the pop-up shop even opened. They were there on the scene at 9 a.m. The crowd was already too rowdy, fighting for positioning, doing what crowds do. And then after the assault took place, they shut it down. Adidas had to come out and say, hey, this is closed indefinitely. The event is not going to happen. There's some more Arizona-themed sneakers right there. We're not going to get them. I don't know. Maybe Adidas can send them to us in exchange for the shout-out they just got. What do you think, Will? Could you pull off Arizona sneaker? It's a bit too flamboyant.
Yeah.
You can't pull it off.
It's a bit too colorful for me.
You can't pull it off. Kirk, maybe? Okay, Kirk's going to pull it off. So, Adidas, if you want to send us, what is it, size 11 or 10? If you want to send us a size 10, 11 Arizona sneaker, feel free. We'll showcase it to the world since the pop-up shop couldn't do it. Fans were too intense. The sneaker culture, it's wild, Will. It just keeps going. It doesn't cool off. It's some next thing. And people turn it into a game. They turn the world into an amusement park full of attractions in the form of pop-up shops. And, it works because people go there and they converse with like-minded individuals. It's kind of like game launches. It's like Comic-Con. It's enthusiastic groups want to be around other enthusiastic individuals. And it just maps this way. It's too bad it had to go violent in this case. Yeah. But also, I don't recommend lining up for anything, to be honest. There's pretty much nothing you should be lining up for, as far as I can tell. I understand it would have been cool to get 99-cent sneakers. It also would have been cool to take out the garbage and do your laundry. Yeah, so how about that? Or clean your bedroom. That's cool too. So, or I don't know, call your mom. You see how that goes, Will? A lot of people, you forget about the simple stuff. Simple stuff's the good stuff. I promise you. Salt and pepper, easy seasoning, coming from me. You like that one, Will? You like that one? Easy seasoning. Oh, speaking of easy seasoning, before the next one, I got one more. But Willie do, I come in today, and the man, he got the 2 buns from TNT, all right? The fresh buns, man, wrapped, beautiful. He had 1 sweet bun and 1 salty bun. One was a pork bun, barbecue pork. The other one, he tried to explain to me. I've never heard of it before. It was a sweet type of bun with mochi in it, and what else was in it? Pineapple. Yeah. So he eats the first bun as I'm sitting here, devours it. I say, man, that looked delicious. The other bun he's saving for later in the day, maybe even to take home, because 2 buns, a lot of buns. Big bun I'm talking about. I look over 2 seconds later, he's into the barbecue bun. It's unbelievable. I don't know what to do with him.
It's great.
He just loves it so much. Yeah. And so shout out TNT. Willie Doo's there every day. You want to go get an autograph, take a picture. You can meet Willie Doo, TNT, every day. He's there from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Yeah.
at every TNT location. TNT is the Asian supermarket, by the way, if you don't know. It's very popular in Canada, but you probably don't have it wherever you happen to be. They got the cool stuff from all over, even other countries, not just from China. You got stuff from like Malaysia, you got stuff from like Japan, obviously, Korea,
India.
all the stuff you want to find, all the
stuff.
unusual, cool stuff. And then they also make stuff in house, like the buns that Willie Doo is now famous for. Call him the bun man, call him the bun king, because I'm telling you, he was gonna save that pork bun. And he did not save it. I'll tell you what, man. He couldn't resist. There was a little down moment, like we weren't shooting something, and all of a sudden that bun was gone. I was like, man, what happened to the bun? Anyway,